You're probably saying that the upholstery is too clean. You need a little drama, so I'm going to give you some. So here I have this old car seat, and what I'm going to do, something crazy. As you can see, giving you some drama, and we're going to put the Tornador to test in just a minute. And here we go. Probably that's more satisfying. So here we go, putting the Tornador to the test. Let's see what happens. Dirt being lifted from the upholstery. It's a brand new microfiber top. Already you can see some results. This is the power of the Tornador. Again, and all of this is happening right before your very eyes. There you have it, and I over again and